Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit your themes, including the Ella theme on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, I myself do not have the Ella theme installed, however, the same process applies for all themes, so I'm going to show you how you can edit or customize one of my themes. Now, once you're on your dashboard, go into Online Store and click on Themes if you're not taken there already. Here, you'll see your themes. Currently, I only have the Dawn theme installed. From here, to edit your theme, you're going to click on Customize. This will take you to this page, which is the site editor, and here you can edit either the PC view or if you want the mobile view, which looks like this. By clicking on these two buttons, you can differentiate. You also have the deactivate inspector button if you want to use that, and you also have full screen, which looks like this. And now to edit it, you need to either go ahead and select the page that you want, and then after you do, you can drag around the elements of your store like so. And you can also add new elements such as new blocks and everything. If you click on an element, you can add whatever that element entails, either blocks or announcements or text. You can also add different sections, or you can go to the theme settings and change all of these settings over here, such as the logo, theme colors, typography, which includes fonts and sizes, layouts, animations, buttons, etc., etc. But yeah, that is pretty much all you need to know about editing themes. It is the same for every theme you have installed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.